Here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Play, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Then go to the Languages and Input, and now click on Languages. Here, by tapping on Other Language, you can pick the one that you would like to have. So as you can see, Motorola prepared a wide list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Portuguese. Now select the region and swipe up this language to the first place to make it a default language. So that's it. As you can see, from now on, the whole device is in Portuguese. Everything is changed. So then, once you would like to go back to English or pick some other language, smoothly slide down to the very bottom of the list, go to the System, pick Languages and Input, go to the first tab, which is for Languages, and now either swipe current language here, as I do it with English, and click on the More icon. By tapping on Remove, you can delete the other languages, or obviously you can smoothly add another language as in previous method. So that would be all. This is how you can change language in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.